if you want to know how soon anything doubles.
Sir, a lot of people want to know कि पैसा डबल कैसे करें. There's something called the rule of 72. आप बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
See, rule of 72 tells you डबल होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. कैसे होगा rule of 72 नहीं बताएगा. So rule of 72 is a nice thumb rule. If you want to know how soon anything doubles, suppose you're investing money at the rate of 6%. So 72 को 6 से divide करो, 12 years the money will double. If you're earning 8%, 72 divided by 8, 9 years में पैसा will double. So it is a ballpark, not exact but almost correct. But you can apply it anywhere. I mean, if there is a 9% or say 6% inflation in the economy, so 72 divided by 6, 12 साल में prices would have doubled. So you apply it anywhere. How soon anything doubles, the rule of 72 tells you that. So this inflation thing, again, I've used in this book. It is so important because you should know how to invest, and then you should know how to invest in stocks, because stock is the only thing that helps you beat inflation. क्योंकि अगर 6% inflation भी पकड़ो, every 12 years if prices are going to double, and I say suppose you start earning today and you are maybe in your early 20s, so अगर आपने 24 की एज में स्टार्ट किया अर्न करना, और अगर 6% इन्फ्लेशन चल रही है, by the time this fellow becomes 36, prices would have doubled. By the time this fellow becomes 48, prices 4 गुना. By the time he becomes 60, 8 गुना. Imagine 60 पे रिटायर होता है, आपको उतना ही पैसा, उतना ही स्पेंडिंग एबिलिटी के लिए you should be earning 8 times as much. कितना बोला? 4, 8, 16 times as much. And now imagine average lifespan 80 साल का पकड़ो, फिर 60 to 72, 72 to, that
you're
means
not earning.
if you're not growing your money at that pace, you'll be actually having less than what you have today.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.